y'all can see how far they really are.
Yeah,
But I'm zooming in so you guys can see the chase.
Yeah, but we're not editing. Like,
Yeah, we're not editing at all.
this is all real. Look.
My clothes? Moving.
Yep. Also my tattoos. Everything.
So yeah, this is real. Look,
Oh, Ronnie's right up there.
look.
Wait, guys.
Whoa. You can't see it, really. It looks so far away. Oh my god, the race is all the way back there. Bro, the race is so far back now. Wait, let's try. I can't see the birds. Where are the birds?
There's one right there. Down there.
Hey, y'all. I really hope you like this. This was a really fun video. This was a really fun video. This was a really fun video for us to produce.
Yeah, we're honestly just doing it for the views, but we'll see you guys in part 2.